Hello everyone. Today we are diving deep into a world where creativity meets technology, the fascinating universe of AI content generation. Ever wondered how a tweet could turn into a full-blown Seinfeld sketch or how text can transform into a video? Well, buckle up because we are about to explore all that and more. Let's start with this tweet, a fun modern day Seinfeld bit. Imagine if instead of reading this, you could watch it as a real video clip, complete with the actors' voices and laugh tracks. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But guess what? It's becoming a reality. Thanks to the wonders of AI. AI content generation isn't just a fancy term, it's a revolution that's putting creative superpowers into the hands of ordinary people like you and me. Whether it's text, images, videos, or even code, AI is changing the game. But who is this video for? Whether you're a content creator, a curious bystander, a journalist, an academic, or even an investor, there's something here for everyone. This technology is reshaping industries and it's crucial to understand its impact. Let's dive into the details. AI content generation is rapidly evolving. I've been exploring tutorials for specific tools and found that things change almost by the hour. New builds are released and fresh tools are constantly being launched. The best approach to grasp this dynamic field is by understanding its core concepts. You don't need to be a tech wizard or know all about deep learning, matrix math, or transformers. What's important is a functional, high-level understanding of what goes on behind the scenes of these amazing apps and tools. Now, AI content generation is a vast field, evolving every hour. New tools are launched constantly and keeping up can feel like a race. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you, starting from the basics to the more complex applications. At its core, AI content generation involves three main categories: generation, classification, and transformation. Generation is about creating new content, classification involves analysis and feature extraction, and transformation is all about altering existing content. But how does this all work? Well, it's all about the magic of machine learning. Machine learning basics are stable, forming the foundation of this field. As we move up the levels to tasks and models, and finally applications, the rate of change accelerates. The deeper your understanding of the basics, the easier it will be to adapt to and utilize new tools and developments. Think of it this way: if you understand the basic and intermediate layers, you'll quickly grasp new products and updates at the application layer. Imagine every digital file as a point in a vast space. AI models navigate this space to find or create the content you are looking for. Every prompt you give to an AI is like a search query. To give you a clearer picture, let's delve into the concept of a latent space. Imagine every digital file not just as a single integer but as a point in multi-dimensional space. This space is where AI models organize and understand the training data. For instance, consider a digital image file. The AI model sees it not just as a picture but as a set of coordinates in the multi-dimensional space. The coordinates could represent anything from the picture's dimensions and color to more abstract concepts like automobileness or bicycleness. The training process involves showing the AI model a vast array of images, allowing it to extract and understand various features. These features then get clustered in the latent space. This clustering helps the AI model to generate, classify, or transform content based on the inputs it receives. You're guiding the AI to explore this digital landscape and bring back something unique and relevant. And here's where it gets even more interesting. In the world of AI, generation, classification, and transformation are all about navigating this latent space. Whether it's creating a new image from a text prompt, identifying elements in an image, or transforming one type of content into another, it all boils down to how the AI model searches and interprets this space. And finally, let's touch upon the fascinating metaphysics of numbers in AI. The notion is that every digital file, every concept, every piece of art or music exists as a point in this vast numerical space. Our interaction with AI, our prompts and inputs are essentially navigational tools that guide the AI in this space to uncover or create the desired output. AI doesn't just understand images or text in isolation, it learns from the associations between them. Think of Pinterest images with descriptive tags. That's how AI models like Stable Diffusion are trained. So what's the takeaway here? When you're using AI to generate content, you're not just commanding a machine. You're embarking on a creative exploration, using AI as your guide to uncover the unseen and the unimagined. In my previous videos, I've already dived deeper into the specific tools and techniques, and I'm going to continue making more videos on the same. We'll explore how you can harness AI to fuel your creativity and innovation. So stay tuned, subscribe, and get ready to explore the limitless possibilities of AI content generation. Until next time, keep creating and stay curious.